Hi folks, welcome to Kev's Sheds once again. A lot of people have been asking me how come I'm always wearing a Canadian t-shirt, which just so happens that last time I was in Canada I bought a whole bunch of t-shirts, so there it is. My guest this week is my wife, Kristine. Well, actually she's not a guest, she literally came in and took over my shed and to make her project for the Arbortech woodworking competition. So here it is, my wife Kristine making a bench seat for the Arbortech woodworking competition.
Hi, I'm Kristine doing my woodworking project for the staff competition for Arbortech, and I'm making a bench seat to go in the bedroom, and I'm lucky enough to be in Kev's shed with Kevin helping me. We've done up the plans and I'm making a slatted bench seat. So far we've cut all the pieces on a bandsaw. Some of them we've had to glue on the ends because I'm just trying to utilise the timber that I had. So it's a slatted seat, and at the moment we're about to glue it up and clamp it, and then we can start shaping. Okay, now I've just finished gluing and clamping, and this is the last clamp to go on. So I've glued each piece as well as nailed it through each one. So you can see here where I've joined the bits of wood there because it wasn't quite long enough, but you could easily do this with one piece and just have little lugs in between, which have been nailed and glued now. And I've also put the legs in there and they're glued and nailed as well. We'll just let that dry and then we can start shaping it up. Okay, so I'll just take off these clamps and we'll be good to go for the shaping. And I'll start, I'll use the turbo plane I think and just sort of smooth it over here, and I'll start doing a bit of shaping here and get this all nicely rounded. But then we'll do a little bit of shaping and see how it ends up. Okay, we're back now. I probably forgot to film doing the rough shaping, but we're now down to the sanding part, and I'm using the new power carving unit with the sanding attachment, and also attached the vacuum, and it's working great. All those nice spots that I had where I was digging in a little bit before, there's one there that I've got to do. Okay, I'm just finishing it off now. I'm just oiling it and with some fine grained steel wool, and then I'll buff it and it should be good to go.